Hey everyone, you've just received your brand new Ally credit card. You're excited to start using it, but where exactly is it? You've searched your entire wallet, your desk, and even your couch cushions, but it's nowhere to be found. Sound familiar? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. Losing your credit card can be a stressful experience, but it doesn't have to be a disaster. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of finding your Ally credit card and what to do if you're still unable to locate it. Let's dive in. Step 1. Retrace your steps. The first thing you should do is retrace your steps. Think about where you were last using your card. Did you use it at a store, restaurant, or ATM? Try to remember any specific places you visited. If you can't recall the exact location, try to think of the last time you saw your card. Was it in your wallet when you left home? Did you take it out to make a purchase and forget to put it back? Step 2. Check your wallet and belongings. It might seem obvious, but it's worth double-checking your wallet and all your belongings. Sometimes, cards can get stuck in hidden pockets or compartments. Check your purse, backpack, briefcase, or any other bags you carry regularly. Also, look in your car, as you might have accidentally dropped it there. Step 3. Contact Ally customer service. If you've exhausted all other options, it's time to contact Ally customer service. They can provide you with information about your card's location and assist you in blocking it if necessary. Here's how to contact Ally customer service. Phone 1-800-668-3559. Online chat. Visit Ally's website and access the live chat feature. Step 4. Block your card, if necessary. If you're unable to locate your card, it's important to block it immediately to prevent unauthorized charges. When you contact Ally customer service, they will be able to block your card. This will prevent anyone from using it even if it's found. Additional tips. Check your online account. You can also check your Ally online account to see if there are any recent transactions that might indicate your card's location, *. Notify other banks. If you have other credit cards or bank accounts linked to your Ally account, it's a good idea to notify those institutions as well, *. File a police report. In some cases, filing a police report can be helpful, especially if you suspect your card has been stolen, *. Conclusion. Losing your Ally credit card can be frustrating, but by following these steps, you can increase your chances of finding it or taking the necessary precautions to protect your finances. Remember to always keep your card in a safe place and be mindful of where you put it. And if you ever lose your card, don't hesitate to contact Ally customer service for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.